Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing very, very well. And I want to show y'all something funny right off the bat. First and foremost, how are y'all doing? It seems bright to me today. Mm, delicious. Wonderful cup of Krispy Kreme decaf Keurig. Oh y'all, I'm wearing this shirt today. Can you see the little sleeves? Aren't they fun? This was from Chico's. I did it on a haul. And I'm also wearing my little scripture bracelet, which I really love. It's a bangle, and it says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not into your own understanding." It doesn't say the rest of it. Yeah, it twists, and then on the inside it says, "Acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight." Acknowledge him in all your ways, and he'll make your path straight. That's Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. But isn't that cool? It's a circle, but it kind of twists right there. Do y'all see it? And then it switches to the other side so it can fit all the scripture on there. So, anyway. Let's see. Also, I wanted to show y'all. It's so funny because this girl says, "Oh my gosh, that's a new bracelet." Okay, this isn't a new bracelet, y'all. This is not real. These are CZ's. Some are from gift shops at hospitals, like that one. And I think that one. But this is one of those, wait a minute. What's it called? Y'all, I've told y'all 100 times where this comes from. But sometimes it's pretty to wear these things, and they don't have to be real, y'all. Now, this one is from, not Ross Simons, QVC. And it was it's a QVC too. I mean, it's a, cubic zirconia also. So was this one. That one is too. Naudry. That's what this is. Naudry. And that one's Naudry. And usually I have on Naudry earrings. I don't. Not right now. But anyway, so some of those, some of you who think I'm filthy rich and say, "Oh my gosh, how does she have all these diamonds?" They're not real. They're just CZ's. Just enjoy. Just enjoy. Don't lust. Don't envy what other people have. If you want a little sparkly bracelet, you can afford to probably go to Kroger. Kroger has them. This one's from Dillard's jewelry, costume jewelry department. But I've got lots of my earrings from Kroger's. Y'all know that. And little boutiques. Remember I showed y'all this one I got, which is so cute. They're just little crystals and little silver and gold beads. I like when something is silver and gold. Look. Anyway, okay, so I just was sharing all that. Oh, I know what I wanted to share with y'all. As I've gotten older, I want to still look, what is the word I don't want to look? I don't want to look frumpy. That's it. I don't necessarily want to look sexy. I don't know. For my husband, I do. But I like to have a heel because I'm so short. I wear a lot of flats, but I don't want to forego heels just yet. I know as I get older, it'll get harder and harder to wear heels on my ankles and feet and lower back and all that stuff. But I have found a heel that I'm enjoying so much, y'all. It's from Skechers. And it says Skechers memory foam is so cushy on the inside. And the sole is made so it's good shock absorption. Don't wear heels that have wooden heels because they don't absorb any shock and you'll get terrible leg aches from it. Also, this is Velcro. Y'all, do you know how hard it is when you're overweight to buckle something at your ankle? I can't get over my belly. I'm embarrassed of that, but it's the truth. But anyway, this is Velcro. It's so easy to slip on and off and get it done. Plus, this kind of gladiator looks very in style. And I have this in black, and this is called, I think it's called Blush. Does it say? Light pink. So Blush. Yeah. Blush Nude is probably the popular thing to say, even though it's light pink. It's actually kind of a grayish pink, don't y'all think? Kind of, people call that a nude pink, but it's more pink than it is putty. You know, putty has more browns. Or I don't know, does it have more brown? What do y'all think? It could be lighting too. Lighting is everything, my husband always says. But anyway, and also having this kind of putty covered, kind of tannish bottom may influence your opinion of this. But y'all, these are so comfortable. They're sturdy. I don't feel like I'm going to fall off of them. Because it has the Velcro, I can really snug it up around my ankle and it doesn't slip within the shoe. Sometimes I have almost twisted my ankle where my foot slid a little out of the shoe and my ankle went sideways, and oh my gosh, it hurts so bad on that muscle right under the bone. And this doesn't do that because you can snug this up. So I really like these, and I thought I would share these with you because they're affordable. Again, these are Skechers. And I don't think it says the name of the shoe. This is a 7.5 SM48852. SN SKU number. So it's 48852 is the SKU number. So if you go to Skechers or someone who sells Skechers, look for 48852 and get it in your true size, because this is a 7.5 and it fits. I also got the black ones in 8 just in case, and I kept both of them. Actually, I ordered an 8 and a 7.5 in black because I thought, well, I'll return the one that doesn't fit. I'm keeping them both because 7.5 fits, but 8's a little, like I loosened the 7.5 a little bit with the Velcro, and the 8, I snug it up a little. Okay, time to do my face. Okay, so I have used, okay, dear. Shh. That was my husband texting me, sorry. So what was I going to tell y'all? Oh, before I was so interrupted, not rudely, just sweetly interrupted by the text. This is the foundation I have on. It is the Perfection Lumiere Velvet. Perfection Lumiere Velvet. I don't know why I have to look at it to say it. I don't know why. Anyway, always remember before you use a foundation, by the way, to shake it up really good because there is a lot in it. And you want to make sure that you get good coverage from all the ingredients that are in it. Whether it's anti-aging or just different oils and paints or whatever. Isn't it weird that it's face paint, y'all? It's face paint. This is in 22 Beige Rose if you feel like you have my coloring. But again, remember, lighting's everything. But that is the foundation I have on. And I am going to use from Chantecaille. This is the Coral Reef palette. I'm not sure it's available anymore. If it is, jump on it. I really need to because this palette is my palette. The only thing that I don't like is this is a little too peachy of a blush for me. But I can use this as a bronzer and a transition color for my eye. And I can use this as a highlighter, an all over color. This can be used for an outer V, under my lash, and brow. So this is like, take this on vacation, you're done. Except, peachy isn't how I want to look when it comes to sun. I want to have a little bit more rose. Especially if I dust it across here and over the nose bridge and here to look like, because I protect myself with SPF. Matter of fact, I think one of the better ones when if you're going to be out in the sun and you want foundation on, but you want to look like you've got some sun, then the CC Plus from It Cosmetics. This is that one that is the color correcting full coverage moisturizing cream. So this is touted as a moisturizing cream. Is that this one? Yeah. It's SPF 50, y'all. So you want to use that. And you think, well, I don't want to look like I have makeup on in the sun. Listen, you need to protect your face from age spots and wrinkling and skin cancer. So you definitely do want to have that on. But what you can do is to make it look, let me just show you. To make it look like you have sun on your face so that when you go out, people will go, why is her body like reddish tan because of being in the sun all day and her face is white? You can use this color right here as a contour. Look at this. All right, hold on. Just to get that shadow back there. Remember, mine has to come down a little more because I have little poochy cheeks here. Just look at the difference here and here. It's very slight. Maybe even bring it in a little more. But look what a perfect color that is for contouring. So you don't look so bone white when you go out. So again, I'm going almost vertical. I'm coming all the way down because I have little chipmunk cheeks. See them? Yep. Okay, so now I've got the contour going. You can also do this under the nose because I have a big bulbous nose. Blow out. It gets a shadow under the nose and under the chin. What does this do? When you shadow like this, it kind of helps you not look so fatty. And I got this hanging and it's got fat in it. So I'm sure if I ever will get my butt and lose weight, it's going to hang. And I'll have to face the decision of whether or not I'm just going to let it hang, depending on when I lose the weight and what age I'm at and all that. Or if I'm going to have one of those lifts done. That would be one of the surgeries I would ever consider, I think. To where this is lifted and it's tighter under here. And don't forget, you need to go up beside the eye, up to the hairline, and then down the temple area. And then over the hairline. And what you're doing is just creating what looks like a natural shadow. And then on top of that, you can come in with a little bit of blush, this peachy blush, so it's not just totally brown. I even go down the nose a little on this bulbous chin and down here. Now, because if I wanted a rosy color, and I probably will add to this a pinker blush on top of this peachy blush, only probably right through here. There. Now, do you see how that just gave me some contour? So this is a great palette if you can get it or one like it. Chantecaille usually makes a palette where one of the colors can be used for the eyes, because obviously this peachy tone can be used for the eyes, and the rest of it can be used. I meant for the cheeks. The rest can be used for the eyes, but that can even be used for contour, and that can be used for lining. So there you have it. And I'm using that today. No. Okay, so I'm going to add this little rose color. This is Romantic Rose, #1 by Milani. This is drugstore brand. You can probably afford it. When I say that, I don't take lightly that sometimes people are in financial troubles and it's like, Beth, no, I can't afford it right now. Use what you have then. You can go to the dollar store and get makeup, y'all, that is usable, completely usable. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes we like what is considered more luxurious, and I don't really know how different they really even are, right? So, yeah, you do what you need to do. Okay, so see how I'm just adding that rosiness kind of, I don't know what it does. All right, and I'm going to use some Bye Bye Pores pressed powder from It. Oh, it's got a little sponge, so let's use the sponge. Because what sponge does is it just mashes it into the pores. And what that does is make, oh, wow, that's